Hello, first graders. Happy Monday to you. I hope you guys had a nice weekend. Welcome back to your guidance lessons in remote learning. We are going to start our day today by playing another game of my turn, your turn. And remember, the rules of this game is that I'm going to say my turn and then do some movements, and then I'll say your turn, and you copy the movements that I did. So remember, you have to wait until I say your turn until you go. Are you ready? All right, here we go. My turn. Your turn. Good job. My turn. Your turn. Great. My turn. Your turn. My turn. Your turn. My turn. Your turn. All right, nice job. What skills did you use that we talked about last week to be successful in that game? You might have said that you were listening carefully, you were watching, you were thinking about the words that I said while you waited for it to be your turn. If you said any of those things, put your hands on top of your head like this. Awesome. So we have a friend who's going to be joining us today, and it is Puppy. Oh my goodness, Puppy is so excited today. Puppy, you are just so excited. What is going on? I'm just so excited to be in the group. Oh my goodness, first graders. I think that we might need to remind Puppy of our listening rules. What do you think? All right, Puppy. So here's our listening rules right here. Go ahead and say them with me so that we can help Puppy learn how to be a great first grader. All right. So our listening rules are eyes watching. Oh, okay. Yeah. Eyes watching. Okay. Ears listening. Voice quiet. And body still. Puppy, do you think that you can remember those rules for the rest of today's lesson and do your best to follow those listening rules? Yeah. Okay. Shh. Come on, settle down. Okay. All right. Thanks for helping me help Puppy to do that. So today we're going to learn how to focus our attention. And because that is an important skill for learning, just like our listening rules, focusing our attention is another one of those important skills. So first we're going to listen to the learner song. When you hear the word listen, I want you to cup your ear like this, okay? And when you hear the words eyes, ears, and brain, I want you to point to those parts of your body too. All right, let's listen to the song.
Focus, listen, use your self-talk, be assertive. Focus, listen, use your self-talk, be assertive. Focus, listen, use your self-talk, be assertive. This is the way we all can learn. This is the way we all can learn. First you focus, get your attention, use eyes and ears and brain. Now you listen, make sure you listen, use eyes and ears and brain. Use your self-talk, say I can do this, and focus now. Be assertive. If you don't get it, just ask for help out loud. This is the way we all can learn. This is the way we all can learn. First you focus, get your attention, use eyes and ears and brain. Now you listen, make sure you listen, use eyes and ears and brain. Use your self-talk, say I can do this, and focus now. Be assertive, if you don't get it, just ask for help out loud.
lot of you were pointing to your eyes, ears, and brain while you listened to that song. Did you hear some of the skills we learned last week? Great job listening, thinking, and remembering. Now let's focus our attention on our story for today. This is Abraham. Mr. Jackson, his PE teacher, is teaching the class a new ball game. Abraham really wants to know how to play it. It sounds fun. Think about what Abraham can do to help himself understand and remember how to play. You might have said he could look at Mr. Jackson and he could listen carefully. If you said that, give me a thumbs up. Great job. Abraham uses a way to focus his attention that his teacher taught him last year. When you focus your attention on something, you are using your brain to think about it, as well as your eyes and your ears. Focusing attention is an important skill for learning. Here's what Abraham learned. Put your hands around each eye, like this. That's called your antennoscope. Your antennoscope helps you pay attention to things that are important. It shuts out other things that could distract you or take your attention away. Make your antennoscope again and focus on something in the room, maybe a window. Okay, now put your antennoscope down, but pretend that it's still there. Let's try again with something else. Focus your attention on a book. Now put your antennoscope down, but pretend it's still there. One more time. Focus your attention on the door. Put your antennoscope down, but pretend it's still there. Great job! Special words are the switch for turning on your antennoscope. When you say to yourself, focus, look carefully, or listen, you're turning on your antennoscope. Think about some words I say when I'm teaching that let you know you should switch on your antennoscope and focus your attention. Maybe some words that your teacher uses in the classroom too. You might be thinking, eyes on me, listen to these directions, look up here on the board, watch how I do this. All of those are clues that it might be time to turn on your antennoscope. Now we're going to practice focusing our attention during another game of My Turn, Your Turn. Make your antennoscopes and focus it on me. All right, now put it down, but pretend like it's still there, so you're still focused on me, okay? When it's my turn, I will say and show you 3 different things. Remember to wait without moving until I say your turn. Then do those 3 movements in order. It's a little tough because we're adding a 3rd thing to do. So make sure you're really focusing your attention and you have your antennoscope turned on. Are you ready? Let's focus that antennoscope. Put it down, pretend it's still there. Okay, my turn. Nose, ears, shoulders. Your turn. All right, my turn. Eyes, head, hug. Your turn. My turn. Ears, lips, chin. Your turn. All right, last one. Wave, clap, snap. Your turn. All right, nice job focusing your attention. Put your thumbs up if you had to work even harder to focus your attention when you had to remember 3 things. Your brain was working hard, so remember that makes it get even stronger. So today we practiced focusing your attention and blocking out distractions by using your antennoscope. What are some special words that can remind us when it's time to turn on our antennoscope? What did we say again? That's right, focus, pay attention, watch carefully, it's time to listen. Those are all great words you can use to turn on your antennoscope and focus your attention. When you focus your attention, you use your eyes, your ears, and your brain. And the more you practice, the better you get. Before you do an activity at school or at home, remember to switch on your attendoscope. All right, guys, we're going to practice that a couple of times this week. So I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.